ano talaga ang pwede nating gawin para hindi po matulad ito sa nangyari po noon sa Mischief Reef?
There are operational details that I cannot disclose, DJ Chan, no? But rest assured, the national government, kasama ang buong NTFWPS, are coming up with different ideas, no? But as of this time, our priority in settling all these differences natin with the People's Republic of China remains to be diplomatic action. At ito ang ginagawa ng ating DFA ngayon.
Admiral, tama po, narinig ko kanina may binabanggit kayo na may coordination kayo with our allied countries. Ano pong specific countries ito?
Well, ang sabi ko kanina, DJ, we are exposing this to the international community to pressure the People's Republic of China and itong mga like-minded states. No? When we say like-minded states, of course, these are our allies, the United States, Japan, Australia, at iba pong sa Europa na nire-respeto at kinikilala ang 2016 arbitral award. Because obviously, itong ginagawa ng China na ito ay violation ng UNCLOS at pagsasawa baliwala ng 2016 arbitral award.
So ibig sabihin, Admiral, do we really have a coordination with our allied countries regarding dito sa incident sa Bajo de Masinloc just to make sure na hindi na nga po mauulit yung nangyari in the past? Kumbaga sa mga susunod, mas makikipagtulungan po kayo sa pag-surveillance po dito sa area na ito?
Well, DJ Shah, I don't have exact knowledge as to the level of coordination with our allies, but I would like to believe na our intention in exposing this to the public is to also get their support.
Ang magandang tanong dito, no, kay Admiral, ano purpose nito? Ano ang purpose nitong floating structure na ito? Para saan ito?
Well, ang paniniwala, Sir Ted, no? Hindi paniniwala, ang palabas ng People's Republic of China sa kanilang mga statement tungkol dito sa floating structure na to, a day after we completed our press conference and exposed this to the people. Ang sabi nila, what they're doing is a marine scientific research na naaayon naman daw sa kanilang soberanya bilang bansa. Na agad naman natin itong kinontesta at sinabi natin there's only the Philippines has sovereign rights to conduct marine scientific research sa West Philippine Sea. At ang ginagawa nila rito ay violation ng UNCLOS.